Answer: 28 minus 5s is less than 2s plus 9. If you collect the unknown like terms to the left hand side and the known terms to the right hand side, we have minus 5s minus 2s is less than 9 minus 29. We now have minus 7s is less than minus 19. The minus will cancel minus, we will be left with 7s less than 19. S is greater than 19 over 7. Answer B. In bracket 3s plus 2 times 15 over 5 minus in bracket 2s plus 3 times 15 over 3 is equals to 3 times 15. We multiply through by 15 because the LCM is 15. Then we now have, if we cancel out, we will now be left with, and if you cancel out an open bracket, we will now be left with 5 divided by 15 will give us 3. 3 times 3s is 9s plus 2 times 3 is 6 minus 3 divided by 15 will give us 5. 5 times 2s is 10s minus 5 times 3 will give us 15 is equals to 45. And if you do our mathematics, you will now be left with minus x minus 9, because 9 minus 10s will give us minus x. 6 minus 15 will give us minus 9. Then we have our minus s. 9 going over to the other side will become plus, equals to 54. That is 45 plus 9, which will give us 54. Therefore, our s now become equals to minus 54. Question 4. A man is Q years old while his son is P years old. The sum of their age is equal to twice the difference of their ages. The product of their ages is 675. Write the equation connecting the ages and solve the equation in order to find the ages of the man and his son. Answer: man's age equals to Q's years, son's age equals to P years. Sum of their ages is equals to P Q plus P. Difference means minus, then we have equals to Q minus P. P plus Q is equals to 2 times Q minus P. This is our equation 1. We are told that if their sum is equal to is 2 times their difference, if the sum of their ages of the father and the mother is 2 times their difference, then P plus Q is equals to 2 in bracket Q minus P. Then QP is equals to 675, because we are told that if the multiple of the man's age and the son's age is equals to 675, we now have QP equals to 675 to be our equation 2. From equation 1, we open bracket, we now have Q plus P equals to Q minus 2P. Then if you collect like terms together, we now have P plus 2P is equals to 2Q minus Q. Then we will now be left with 3P equals to Q. Substituting in equation 2, substituting P in Q in equation 2, we now have 3p times p is equal to 675. 3p squared is equal to 675. Therefore, p squared is equal to 675 over 3, which gives us 225. P squared is equal to 225. P is equal to 15, because square root going to the over to the other side, we now have the square root of 225. We now have 15. Therefore, substituting p or replacing p with 15, we now have our Q to be 15 times 3, which is 45. Age of the man is 45 years. Age of the son is 15 years. Question 5. In 10 years' time, a father will be twice as old as his son. 10 years ago, he was 6 times as old as his son. How old is the son? Answer. Let the age of the son be S years and father's age be Y years. In 10 years' time, the age of the father is equal to Y plus 10. In 10 years' time, the age of the son will equal to S plus 10. 10 years ago, the age of the father is Y minus 10. 10 years ago, the age of the son is equal to S minus 10. Y plus 10 is equal to 2S plus 20. Y minus 2S is equal to 10. Y minus 10 is equal to 6 times S minus 10. Y is minus 10 is equal to 6S minus 60. Y minus 6S is equal to minus 60 plus 10. Y minus 6S is equal to minus 50. This will be equation 2. And also equation 1 from equation 2 we have 4S is equal to 60. S is now equal to 15. Son's age is equal to 15 years. Question 5. A. Solve the equation in bracket S plus 1, another bracket S minus 2 close bracket equals to 4, and find the sum of the two possible values of x. B. If 3x squared minus x minus 4 is equals to 0, what is the difference between the two possible values of x? Answer. S plus 1 in bracket another bracket S minus 2 is equals to 4. Therefore, if you open the brackets, we now have S squared. S times S is S squared minus S times minus 2 become minus 2x plus 1 times S is x minus 1 times minus 2 become minus 2 minus 4 coming over to the other side, left hand side, will become minus 4. Since it is positive, crossing the equality sign will become negative minus 4, which is equals to 0. Then we now have s squared minus 2s plus s will give us minus x, minus 2 minus 4 will give us 6, is equals to 0. Therefore, if you now have factorize the equation, if you expand the equation, we have something like s squared minus 2x minus in bracket x minus 3x minus 6. So if you collect